Things are heating up in the kitchen, because tonight we're making a spicy peperonata. Cheers. Now we're going to start by prepping our peppers, and we're going to begin with our Italian long hots. Now for our Italian long hots, we're going to cut the top off and then just come down the side. Put a slit down the side. Open that up and just clean out that inside, get all the seeds out of there. And then we'll cut that into about, we're looking for about 1/4 inch slices here. Somewhere between 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch. I got 3 of these guys, just keep doing that. Okay, our Italian long hots are cut, and now if you're going to take a break and go to the bathroom, wash your hands first, and don't touch your eyes. Just a pro tip there. So I got red, yellow, and green. You could use 6 of whatever bell peppers you wish. I got 2 of each of these. So for our bell peppers, we're going to just cut the sides off, cut the bottom off. I think I got most of the white pith off. Yep, that's a little bitter, so you want to cut that out. Now we're just going to julienne that. And I'm going to do this to all 6 of my bell peppers. And we're going to use that bottom too. We're not wasting nothing. Peppers are cut. Next up is a red onion. Cut the bottom off. Top. Cut her in half. Take off the peel, or the skin. I've already been peeling a lot of bananas for my daughter, so peel comes to mind. Now we're going to julienne our onion. Next up, 3 cloves of garlic. Just going to slice those guys up. So we got our peppers, onions, and garlic all in a bowl here. I'm going to set that aside. But we're not done cutting yet, because we still got some tomatoes. Now we're going to cut our tomatoes, and the reason we're going to do it in 2 steps is all of the first things are going to be cooked at one point, and then we're going to add some stuff later, which is going to be just tomatoes and oregano, but we'll put those in a different bowl. So I'm going to cut the core out and just dice these guys up. I got 3 tomatoes cut. Those were smaller tomatoes. You could use 2 larger tomatoes. Now I got a couple tablespoons of fresh oregano. I'm just going to give that a rough chop. Pull it off the stem. Like I said, it's rustic, so not going crazy here. That's good. It's time to start cooking. Now that everything's all choppy, let's build this dish. I got a pan getting hot over here. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil to that. And give that just a second to heat up. And now we're going to go in with our onions, garlic, and peppers. I'm just going to let this go and stir it until these peppers get a little softer. Not too soft, but just start to soften up. Okay, we're about where we want to be. And a good way to tell is the skins on our onions are a little paler than when we started, which is a good marking note for when we want to go in with our tomato and oregano. But that's not all. Who's crashing the party? Mr. Capers. Going in with a 1/4 cup of capers as well. So now we're just going to cook that and let those tomatoes start to break down. Now that's gone for about 5 minutes and a lot of those juices are coming out of the tomatoes. So I'm going to go in with a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. Season her with some salt and pepper. And just let that keep cooking down. So we've been simmering away for about 15 to 20 minutes. And a lot of our liquid has evaporated. Everything that came out of all those vegetables. And I just tasted it and need a little more salt. So now we're going to adjust our seasoning, add a little more salt. Also going to kill my heat. Hit that with a couple more tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Stir that all together. And we're ready to serve. So we just scooped everything into a nice big bowl here, and I'm going to serve that with some crusty bread. Now, as simple as this dish is, these beautiful flavors, they bring me right back to being a kid playing in my grandparents' garden and eating all the olive oil and garlic. And of course, they always had the crusty DiCamillo's bread on the counter. So shout out to probably my biggest fan, Grandpa. Thanks for watching. Hope everybody else enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.